Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate voiceovers with Elevenlabs. First of all, what you have to do is simply open elevenlabs.io website, and on their website you will see a bunch of options. For instance, you can go to text to speech. Here what you have to do is simply type in the text and it will turn into speech. Now, the speech voices, there are a ton of speech voices. For instance, what you have to do is simply go to the voices section. And here you can explore so many voices, or you can also search voices with the help of categories. For instance, there are trending voices, they're best for English, and you can also see that there are some categories like narrative for educational, informative, and conversational. For advertisement, there are a ton of different kinds of categories that you can choose sounds from. You can also click on My Voices, which is, as you can see, empty. But what I will do, I will simply click on create a voice. Now I have two different options. The first one is instant voice clone, and the second one is the professional voice clone. In the instant voice clone, what you have to do is simply upload your voice with only 10 seconds of your audio voice, and it will clone your voice. But if you want your voice to be professional, like no inconsistencies and everything should be perfect, then what Elevenlabs require you to at least upload your voice over with at least 30 minutes of clean audio. You will upload your voice and it will do its thing. Your voice will be added on this list. Now, what you have to do is simply go to text to speech, and you can type in a whole essay on this text side. Once you type in, now what you have to do is go to the voices section and click on your voice that you have created. Now once you have selected your voice, what it will do, Elevenlabs will convert all the text you have written, whether it's a whole book or anything, 5,000 characters. So what it will do, it will convert all the 5,000 characters into your own voice without even you recording a single word. And that's simply how you can generate voiceovers with Elevenlabs. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.